Right now, machines are trading $24.53 billion in stocks without human permission. This isn't the future. It's already happening. And if you're still picking stocks the old way, you're losing. Welcome to Elite Trade Club. Today we expose how AI trading in 2025 will make or break your portfolio. Gone are the shouting stockbrokers. The real action? Silent, ruthless, AI powered. Neural networks predict moves before you blink. Bots execute trades at light speed. And Wall Street? They don't want you knowing this. AI didn't just speed up the game. It flipped the rulebook and lit it on fire. Speed and precision? Today's AI-powered bots pull off thousands of trades per second. It's called high-frequency trading, and it's deadly effective. These bots detect microscopic price shifts across markets, the kind no human eye could ever catch, and turn fractions of cents into millions. Need proof? Look at Renaissance Technologies' Medallion Fund. Basically run by math geniuses in machine learning, it's averaging a mind-blowing 66% annual return before taxes. No emotion, no guessing, just pure calculated intelligence. Humans? We're emotional wrecks. We buy high when we're scared to miss out, and sell low when panic kicks in. But AI? It doesn't feel. It calculates. It executes. It wins. Like in April 2025, when US-Europe tariffs rattled the markets. Humans flinched, portfolios tanked. But BlackRock's AI Aladdin didn't blink. It instantly rebalanced portfolios, slashing client losses by 12% over traditional traders. And right now, AI isn't just reacting, it's predicting. By scanning news articles, satellite images, Reddit threads, and earning calls, machine learning models are forecasting the future in real time. Real case. In Q2 2025, Nvidia shocked the market with a massive earnings beat, but an AI sentiment tool, it flagged the win 3 days early after analyzing Bloomberg transcripts and Reddit chatter. Investors using that tool, they were already in. Not all AI bots are built the same. Just like Wall Street's top traders, each has its own style, strategy, and edge. In 2025, these bots are custom-designed killers, tailored for specific market conditions and laser-focused goals. First up, trend followers. They sniff out momentum, riding waves of price movement using tools like moving averages. Bullish or bearish, they don't care. If there's a trend, they're riding it. Then there's the arbitrage bots. These are the hustlers, spotting tiny price gaps across different markets, especially in crypto, where volatility is a playground. Next, sentiment analysis bots. They're the mind readers. Powered by natural language processing, they scan news, earnings calls, Reddit threads, and tweets, catching mood swings before markets react. Perfect for those event-driven spikes. Mean reversion bots? They're the calm in the chaos. Their belief? Prices always come home. These bots thrive in sideways markets, patiently waiting for prices to snap back to the mean. Market-making bots are the silent stabilizers. They buy and sell orders simultaneously, keeping markets liquid and price spreads tight. Essential in low volatility, high volume zones. And finally, high-frequency trading bots, the speed demons. Built to execute thousands of trades in milliseconds, profiting from microscopic price moves. They're the elite weapons used by big institutions for scalping and advanced arbitrage. Together, they're not just bots. They're soldiers in a digital army, each with a mission, each shaping the battlefield. Not all AI trading tools are created equal. Here are the top platforms that real traders swear by in 2025. Trade ideas. Holly AI. Holly scans the market all day long, looking for patterns, technical setups, and high-probability trades. Real-time scanning, backtesting using OddsMaker, and full simulation before risking real money. Detected a 38% rally in Supermicrocomputer, SMCI, by tracking unusual options activity, and its cost is $89 to $178 a month. Stock Hero lets you build trading bots using a drag-and-drop interface. No coding needed. It offers a strategy marketplace where beginners can copy proven bots. One DCA, or dollar cost averaging bot, delivered 19% returns on Ethereum US dollar, and its cost is $29.99 to $99.99 a month. Trend Spider Helps chartists and technical analysts by automating pattern recognition, rain cloud visualizations, multi-time frame alerts, and candle breakdowns. Detected Tesla's head and shoulders breakdown 48 hours before it crashed, and its cost? $107 to $447 a month. Pro tip, always use paper trading mode before going live. 67% of new users lose money due to bad bot settings. AI stocks crushing the market. If you can't beat AI, invest in companies building or using it. Here are 3 stocks riding the AI wave in 2025. Meta Platforms. Meta is using AI to automate 40% of its advertising placements, optimizing costs and boosting effectiveness. As a result, Q2 2025 revenues surged 22% year over year. Besides strong numbers, it's still trading at 27 times earnings, which is cheap compared to its AI-powered growth potential. ASML. This Dutch company builds EUV machines used to make the tiniest, most powerful AI chips. Their revenues jumped 34% in the first half of 2025 as demand exploded. At a P/E of 26, it's 38% below its 5-year average, making it a value buy in a high-growth field. Sterling Infrastructure, STRL. STRL is a surprise winner. It builds AI data centers, and while it's a small-cap stock, it's up 300% since 2024. Why? It's benefiting directly from Google's $75 billion investment into AI infrastructure. Not flashy, but insanely profitable. You don't need to be a quant to use smart strategies. Here are 3 AI-powered approaches for different types of investors. AI hedge strategy. Use mean reversion bots for stable assets like ETFs and sentiment-based bots for unpredictable ones like earning plays or IPOs. This creates a portfolio that can ride trends and withstand shocks. It's like a modern-day hedge fund model for retail investors. Diamond Hands 2.0. The idea? Hold your core investments, e.g. S&P 500 index funds like VOO, but use 10% of your capital on AI-powered swing trade. This way, you stay invested long-term while still taking advantage of short-term AI gains. Institutional blueprints. We employ HTF bots for arbitrage during Asian-European market overlaps, capturing 0.3% daily gains. Quant fund manager JP Morgan Chase institutions run synchronized AI operations across time zones, exploiting market inefficiencies while we sleep. It's complex, but retail traders can follow the model by timing trades around global market overlaps. AI sounds perfect, but it isn't bulletproof. Here's why. AI learns from past data. But when unexpected events hit, like the Taiwan Strait crisis in March 2025, AI bots trained on calm markets fell apart. In just 36 hours, some misconfigured bots triggered a cascade of false sell signals, amplifying the crash. In May 2025, Morgan Stanley was fined $5 million after an AI tool hallucinated fake correlations, making hundreds of wrong trades. The AI wasn't evil, it was confused. But that mistake cost real money and raised huge ethical questions about AI and finance. Backtesting is great, but it's also a trap. Many strategies work on past data but fail in real markets. In fact, 52% of backtested bots underperform live. The solution? Never risk more than 2% of your portfolio per trade and always audit your bots monthly. What lies ahead? The AI we see now is just the beginning. In a pilot by Google, their Sycamore quantum processor slashed complex portfolio simulations from 3 hours to under 30 seconds. That means real-time optimization, even in an ultra-diverse This means real-time optimization, even in ultra-diverse portfolios. It's like upgrading from a calculator to a time-bending superbrain. AI bots are evolving into autonomous agents. In networks like Ethereum-based Render, bots now negotiate trades, adjust themselves, and interact with smart contracts no human required. This is DeFi meets AI, and it's exploding in popularity. The Basel IV Accords, scheduled for 2027, will require AI risk buffers for banks. Governments are racing to catch up, regulating how much AI banks can use, what fail-safes must exist, and how errors are handled. So, if you want to jump in smartly, use this beginner-friendly roadmap. Stocks, crypto, ETFs, pick a market you understand. Match the tool to your style. For example, TrendSpider for chart lovers, Stock Hero for beginners. Use pre-2020 data to stress test your strategies. Don't risk more than 5% of your total capital on AI trades at the start. Track bot performance, tweak strategies, and kill underperformers fast. AI won't replace traders, but traders using AI will replace those who don't. Adapted from BCG's 2025 finance report. AI is no longer an experiment. It's an everyday force in the financial world, from hedge funds in New York to teens in Texas running bots from laptops. Whether you're an investor, trader, or just a curious onlooker, it's clear. The traders of tomorrow won't just watch the market. They'll build machines that trade it for them. So, the question is, are you ready to compete in a market run by machines? Or will you let the bots race ahead while you're still checking charts manually? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more market insights.